I am BHARGAVI from Anantapur and have completed my BTech from Ananthalakshmi Institute of Technology and Sciences in the stream of Computer Science in the year 2022. And I have got placed in IBM with a package of 4 LPA and the role is Associative System Engineer. And I have joined in JSpiders in the month of October in the year 2022. And I have attended for the Java full stack course. And have attended Rahul sir's Core Java class, Navya ma'am's SQL class and Shira's web technology, and have gone through this JSpiders because of my friends, and it helped me a lot in getting the job, and the grooming classes and the mock they will conduct are very helpful for my getting me this opportunity and to move into the job. And the faculty is very friendly and they are very helpful in getting us job, and HRs are very cooperative and they are really working hard to get us placed. And so I recommend all of my friends to join JSpiders, and thank you.